not it at all. I have a fire going, so I have to be a bit quick. Ooh, restful morning. Really pretty scenery around because it's super misty this morning. So I was wondering what we should do together during my little camping, glamping trip. And I'm quite fond of those people and those videos where they cook in the wild. So I thought, yeah, maybe today we could make some dumplings together. So that is what we're going to do. I brought filling from home because I just thought it was really stupid to make filling and bring all of these ingredients over here because the bag got really, really heavy. But we're gonna make the dough from scratch. We're gonna make everything from scratch, and then hopefully maybe we'll grill on the open grill thing, but I haven't had really much luck starting a big fire. It usually dies like after 15 minutes, so not much of a fire. But yeah, we'll give that a try. There's so many bugs out here. So I brought some flour from home. This is flour. Actually, I wanted something like yeasty. So flour, sugar, salt, yeast, because I wanted the dumplings to be kind of bready. Water, not hot. Don't want to kill off all the yeast. And I only have enough for one go. Oh my gosh, there's like some pheasant. I only have enough for one go, so we can't add too much water in just yet. So in a good couple minutes, we're gonna put some kind of a cover on top of this and then just let it rise for about like an hour in a warm place. So I know exactly where I want to put this. So I've pre-made some Pajon pancake mix. Mix that together, we'll pan fry it over some oil, and it'll just be like a vegetable Korean pancake. All right, perfect. So the dough has risen just slightly because it's a pretty firm dough. So I don't have a lot of flour. So let me just give this a quick knead. Donut method. All right, much better. That this recipe can make a lot, so we might have way too many dumplings. So So they already come flattened because it's a cross section of a log. All right. I have a fire going, so we have to be a bit quick. Roll out the dough just a little bit so that it's more or less a little bit of a disc. And then I just roll the outer inch, sometimes outer half inch, so that the center's a bit thicker than the outside. So just put some water on it, actually. I mean, we didn't do too badly. Half of it is sort of burnt, but that's okay. It's... I think I kept on lifting this side up and I didn't see it burn, and then on the other side, because there's a really strong tilt to the grill, I think maybe the other side burnt a little bit, but I don't know, it's okay. Just cut some of that off.